Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn how to choose and change text style on Filmora. So, let's start by putting a simple text on timeline. And then double click on the text, and here you have text styles you can choose. Also, you have word art text styles to choose. Okay, now let's try with a text template and change the style of it. Let's choose for example this one. So then, choose one of the styles here to change it. This is how it looks. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.